Now we have another question where you are given two variables in each column, x and y, and we try to find the Pearson correlation coefficient between x and y. Maybe we plan to run a regression before we want to just check the correlation, if they are correlated or not. We're just going to use the Correl function in Excel, and then you just select each column. Regardless of whether you selected the label or not, you will get the same number. You just get a negative number. This is the formula if you want to take a look at it. Correlation, Correl function. So it seems like we have a strong negative correlation. If you just want to see it visually, you can just click on Insert. In here we have the different chart types, but we are interested with scatter plot. Before I'll select both columns and then go to scatter plot, and here we have y and x, and I can easily put the trend line. This is a kind of regression line. As you can see, there is a downward sloping line. So we have a strong negative correlation between x and y. Now we will use the same data set. This time we will just use Excel to run a linear regression, simple linear regression, and write down the linear regression equation. And we're going to use x as our predictor, the first column, and y as our dependent variable, target variable. There are before doing that, you can easily plot, just get this line or equation line from scatter plot. Just from here, if you go to trend line, and if you go to more options, like for linear one, if you say that display equation on chart, even you can just get the R square value as well. You see it's popping up over there. This is one way of doing it. But we are going to use data and data analysis, and we're going to go to regression. And let's clean this. I will just select my Y range. My Y range is this. I made a mistake. This is my Y range. And my X range is the first column. And I have my labels in there, so I'm going to select labels and then keep all other default options. I can easily get the regression outputs. As you can see, this is my intercept, and minus 0.27 is my slope coefficient. Minus 0.27, and my intercept is 16.227. If you look at it, 16.227. So there are two ways to get this, and you can easily just format this one to reduce the decimal points to the desired level. But again, whether you're going to use data and data analysis and choose regression and select everything, or you can just first construct the scatter plots, and then one of the options will be to just select regression equation. If you just click on trend line, additional option, more options, from there you can select the desired output. Thank you.